We know that you want to learn how to make a difference in your schools, in your community. That is so exciting. Russell Sage College cares and wants to bring you together around these things.
These sessions are meant to inspire you to pursue your own causes and your own relationships within the community and your own partnerships.
Each of us bring our own unique identities into the world, and the intersectionality of those identities have to be respected and explored.
So my project today was writing about the safe lifestyles in schools because of gun violence and other things. I'm hoping that we can get parent support in it and school boards more involved and funding for metal detectors and maybe other police officers in school buildings. My favorite part were the breakout sessions. I enjoyed them. They were very informative. My favorite one that I went to was Keeping Wellness in Mind. It was very informative about the Thrive here at Russell Sage.
With our poster, we're going to talk about the problems of athletes' mental health, ways to solve them, and then the importance of solving them. So I think that being able to use other perspectives and different stories to share with the community will also help other people be able to understand from different perspectives.
My favorite part of today was networking. I love meeting new people and hearing their own ideas.
My favorite part of today was seeing what Sage is all about. Russell Sage, the be, know, do is a great motto. It really applies to the everyday world, what we want to be, what we know, what we want others to know, and then really just being able to do it. So I think that today was a huge success, but my favorite part was just really being able to implement the be, know, do.